my name is Hunterific. I believe in the previous lesson, you guys learned a move that goes like this. Now, this move is very important, and make sure you have it before you add the next step. Now you're going to add 3 balls, and all you're doing for 3 balls is just this, but constantly. So pretty much, again, it's just this, just fast. So right now I'm juggling 2, and all there is a space for a 3rd ball. And a lot of people, when they start out, they go like this, and they throw in front of the juggling balls. You do not want to do that. You want to make sure you throw underneath the other ball. Underneath, underneath. And if you can't get over the habit of doing this, since doing that it causes you to go forward and drop, you can stand near a wall, because of course you can't move forward if there's a wall right in front of you. So practicing this, eventually you'll have to get doing it like this. Thank you, my name is Hunterific. Bye-bye.